Hi, I'm Mike from Smart Home Connection, and I just got the great Videomaker 896S LED light kit. What does it include, and how well does it work? Hit it!
Smart Home Connection. Smart Home Connection.
So here we have the great Videomaker 896S LED light 2-piece kit, and we're going to unbox it. Here we go. So here we have the two lights. They have the soft diffuser, you slide them in and out. You have the hard you have the barn doors here. And what this does is it directs the light and also is a good protector when you're not in use. So there's the barn doors. Power brick, part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2. You can use them with batteries too on the back of the lights. It uses a Sony NPF battery. It's got the remote. It's one of the few kits that actually has a remote. Got the light stand. We'll show you when they actually go up when we demo them. This is the larger diffuser. Other barn doors. That's the larger diffuser there. Yeah, there you go. And those are the kits for the diffusers. And then that's the other large diffuser. And documentation. And that's it. So there you have the great Videomaker unboxing. We're going to go to the features and tell you about the lights. So here we have the features of the great Videomaker 896S light. It has wireless control. So with the S series, you can have a slave mode and a master mode. The master controls all the slave lights. It has 4 custom memory buttons for the different K ranges between 2300 and 6800. It has a CRI of 97 plus, which is almost white, and a maximum lumens of 1850 at 20 inches. Now the bicolor range, as I said, is 2300 to 6800. Other lights that are a little bit cheaper that go in the little bit lower range. It is an LCD display on the back of it, right here, and you can put batteries on it, the Sony batteries. And this is their top of the line model. It does have a 1-year warranty. And it does come with a bracket diffuser that clips up here, and it comes out like this, and I'll show you that in the unboxing. The cost is about, at the time of this recording, is $284 for a single. They have a dual light system, which I bought at $568, or a 3 at $854, and that comes in black. Now I'm going to show you talk about their other 2 light systems that merge with this, that can be a slave to this one. So here we have the other 2 lights that work with the 896S. The first one is the 672S. It has a green and black aluminum design wireless control, 4 custom memory buttons, CRI of 97, an LCD display, bicolor range of 3200 to 5600, a soft and hard bracket diffuser, and a 1-year warranty. The prices are $227 for a single, $512 for a 2-piece kit, and $740 for a 3-piece kit, which is 3 lights. Then you have the 520S. Has the same green and black aluminum design, a bicolor range of 3200 to 5600, has a CRI of 97 and an LCD display, has a soft and hard bracket diffuser, has the wireless control, so you can do the master and slave as with the 672S. You have 4 custom memory buttons for the different light settings and a 360 rotation, 360 degree location, which rotates on this axis. The prices are $189 for 520S, $474 for the 2-piece kit, and $568 for the 3-piece kit. So there you have it, and let's go to the demo. So here we have my old light, that newer LED 600. It's a pretty good light, but it's a little bit more plasticky than the Gvm. And then we're going to compare it to the Gvm 896S. This light, the newer, does not link with any other lights. Does not have a slave and master program like the Gvm does. So we're going to compare the lights on this white background. So let's set them up. So here we have the 2 lights. First we go to the newer. And this is the newer 600 LED. And it has a Kelvin of 35 to 5600. That's that light. It's a little bit plasticky. The main feature that it does not have is this master slate that the Gvm does. Okay, so now we're going to go to the Gvm light. It's clearly brighter, has more of a range, 2300 to 6800, which helps you match your environment better. So there you have the demo of the 2 different lights. So now we're going to wrap it up with a conclusion. So here we have the conclusion to the Great Video Maker 896S review. I talked about the features of the light, the 2 light kit unboxing. I talked about the lights that can be either a slave or master, which is the 672S and the 520S. I talked about the comparisons between the newer 600 video light and this light, the Great Video Maker 896S. So that wraps it up. Please leave any questions down below. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.
Smart Home Connection. Smart Home Connection.